Hey Subbies. Hey Subbies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the girl Geisha _ everything, and today I am back with another video. Yes. So if you guys are into this video, I want you guys to like it, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time when I upload another video. Yes. So it's been a long while I haven't uploaded a reaction video. So today I'm going to do a reaction video to Gabriel, Henrique, Rhythm&Truth, Don't Wanna Lose You. Yes. As you know, the video will be over here, so y'all can join me in watching the video and listen to it. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
Sometimes it's hard to make things clear, knowing your face, the truth, and I know that the moment is here. Open my heart and show you inside. Yeah, my love has no pride. I feel if you, I've got nothing to hide. So open your eyes and see who I am, and not who you want for me to be. I am only myself. I don't wanna lose you now. We gotta get through somehow. Don't wanna lose you now. Forever. Cause baby, I finally found courage to stand my ground. But if you want me, I'll be around forever. We all make mistakes. We all lose our way, but we stood the test of time, and I hope that's the way we will stay. Hey, it's all up to you to tell me to go. Cause it won't be me to walk away when you all that I know. And I know I don't wanna lose you now. We gonna get through somehow. Don't wanna lose you now. Forever, never. Baby, I finally found courage to stand my ground.
a good video. Like, to be honest, Gabriel, Henrique, he never disappoints, to be honest. Like, he never disappoints. But anyways, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. Also, subscribe if you haven't as yet. Comment below videos you want me to do for y'all. And share this video. Yeah, do all those good things. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time when I upload another video like this. Yes, yes, yes. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next reaction video. Bye.